Kia ora and aloha, my name is Sam Mangakahia, also known as Hamiora Art. I'm a cultural artist and I love sharing stories and values through my artwork. I'm doing a 3-part series and teaching you how to draw Polynesian designs and motifs based on our Shaka tribe wallet collection. Let's jump straight into it. This design is titled Courage. These are Samoan inspired patterns. Today we'll be drawing 2 spear tip like designs and a Teuila pattern. To start off, we're going to make 3 sections by drawing 4 evenly spaced lines, then adding a close line to the right of those 3 lines. I'm freestyling this, feel free to use a ruler. To start off the spear tip design, we are going to lightly draw a reference line in the center. This is where the tip will meet. We are going to draw an upside down V to make the first tip. From here, lightly mark a line across from where the tip ends. We will start a line from there and bring it to the center of our first tip. Draw another upside down V and repeat these steps. Make sure to keep your tips even all the way up. Now we're going to add some depth by creating 2 lines down both sides, and we'll color it in later. For our second design, we are going to start off by making even sections all the way up. We will draw a line from the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. Now from the bottom left, we are going to draw a smaller line that meets the other. And like the first design, we'll wait to the end to color in the gaps. Now for our Teuila Flower design, we are going to draw a line about 3/4 of the way for our guide. We are going to create a small curved line from the edge to our guideline, and another curved line on top to create that leaf shape. And now repeat this all the way up. And now we're ready to go over our whole design with a liner pen. My favorite, adding the final touches. I name this piece Courage because you will find many of these designs in a traditional Samoan tattoo called the pe'a. This is a tattoo that a chief or men would get to represent their responsibility and strength. It's a symbol of protection over their loved ones, which I personally think takes a lot of care and courage. If you have followed along, awesome job. Let me know in the comments how it went. Now erase your pencil marks, sign your piece, and we're finished. If you're wondering where to find these wallets, you can find them at shakatribeshop.com. All the products on that website are designed here in Hawaii by my wife and I. They all carry a special meaning. Stay tuned for other parts of the series to learn more about Hawaiian and Maori designs.